joins us to take us through what she made of the commentary that came in from the RBI. Latha, no major surprises from the RBI itself in the policy, but what do you make of the commentary?
Oh, yes, it was most status quo of policies. As you say, neither the rates nor the stance has changed, but that was as expected. The point is the governors seem to even hint that there is a long pause. That is, the repo rate may remain at 5.25% for a long time, because he said the positive real rate is in accommodative to neutral territory. What it means is repo rate minus inflation. Should repo rate at 5.25%, inflation rate, the forecast is around 4.5%. So the difference or the positive real rate is around 1 to 1.5%, which is the neutral rate. All this explanation was giving the impression that he's not going to change those rates anytime soon. All that was like on expected lines. But what was surprising was at the moment, there is a lot of liquidity in the system. So the call rate is often a good 0.5% below the repo rate, the one-day money. The Reserve Bank governor did not really address it, saying that broadly, it encourages transmission. That made mutual funds very unhappy, because they are the people who put the money in what is called the TREPS market. And there they are getting only 4.25%, where they were expecting 5.25%. So they are unhappy. The banks are happy about it. But the point is the governor did not give a reason why he is not doing the, variable reverse repo rate, VRRR as they call it, to pull out the excess money. So mutual funds are unhappy. The other place where he did not commit at all was on the dollar rupee. The usual statement that, RBI only intervenes for volatility, they don't have a level. He also said that in the long run, the budget has steps, insurance, 100% FDI has been allowed, GCCs have been given safe harbor. These are all known, but on a daily basis, FPIs are pulling out money and pressuring the exchange rate. There was no real help for the market to understand that part better. So that's why I call it status quo and how in terms of this policy. But to be fair, on the governor's side, he did say that, the borrowing program will be managed by proactive and preemptive provision of liquidity. He also probably is not committing either ways, because there is a new GDP and CPI series coming. So therefore, probably was less committing or less revealing as to what the RBI's thoughts are. This policy is status quoist and how. That's the only way I can describe it.
All right, status quo policy. Latha, many thanks. The RBI, by the way, also announced